Well, here we go again. I get the snow out of here. Skid steer kind of froze up. We were pushing snow with it, then the fuel gelled mid-run. So Louise here is changing out the filters on it. We're putting some of the 911 fuel anti-gel in it. And now the next piece we're putting on is the smaller filter here.
It's really cold. Ripping through my shirt right now. But we're holding out. Sun's coming out. So doing great. Just not grabbing it.
Frozen fingers. Seems like you always blow a line or something out here in the winter. We put the filter on there and you'll see the fuel visibly in it because it's clear. But if the fuel level starts dropping on it, we know that something's still frozen and the fuel's not flowing through. It's actually filling up pretty good now. So hopefully that's all it was, just kind of frozen in that other section. I think we're good now. Before it would just suck all the fuel out of the filter and then start the engine for fuel. Now the fun begins. We're gonna push the snow. Needing to get loaded with the forklift and there's a bunch of snow in the way, so perfect time.